guys, I'm here to show you how to repair a hole in a piece of wood. So that your nail or your screw, I went ahead and pulled it. I straightened it out just a little bit. It was totally a 90-degree bend here. I'm going to go ahead and fill this hole with a couple wood sticks. Basically what you want to do. Just go ahead and stick your wood in there and tap it down as far as it can go. Snap it off in there and refill up that hole, because that hole had enough space for that nail to wiggle around a little, and then I can go ahead and get a little smaller piece in there. Just to fill in the last little bits. And as far as the metal goes, it needs a little fixing here, so you see. Out back out a little bit. And once we get the nail in, we'll go ahead and finish off a little bit of this metal work here, just to get it rounded back off. These tings here kind of sticking out. I'm missing a nail on that one there, and we'll be tightening up this other one as well. Basically, I'm going to be going through all these that are not rivets and retightening all of them. Line it back up. Pushing some of that wood back down in there and spread it apart. Nice. And just finish up doing your middle, bending that middle around and making it look as conformed as best as you can to conform to the rest of them. Alright, till the next repair.